This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Roblox less laggy on your laptop. First, close any unnecessary background applications running on your computer. This frees up valuable system resources, giving Roblox more power. Next, open Roblox and navigate to the in-game settings. Reduce the graphics quality to a lower level, perhaps even 1 or 2 bars. Finally, check your laptop's power settings and ensure it's set to high performance for maximum processing power. Moving on, let's optimize your system and network. It's crucial to update your laptop's graphics drivers to their latest versions. Outdated drivers can significantly hinder performance. Also, check your internet connection speed and stability. A slow or inconsistent connection can cause considerable lag. For a more reliable experience, consider connecting your laptop directly to your router using an Ethernet cable instead of relying on Wi-Fi. Now, let's fine-tune some in-game and software settings. Within Roblox, disable unnecessary visual effects such as shadows, reflections, and complex textures. These can be very demanding on your system. Regularly clear Roblox's temporary files and cache. Accumulated data can slow things down. Lastly, make sure your laptop's operating system is fully updated. Software updates often include performance improvements and bug fixes. For more advanced optimization, consider your hardware. If your laptop has less than 8 GB of RAM, an upgrade could dramatically improve performance. Overheating can cause lag, so using a cooling pad can help maintain optimal temperatures and prevent thermal throttling. Finally, regularly perform a disk cleanup to remove old, unused files and free up storage space, contributing to a smoother overall experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.